If your Schlage encode smart Wi-Fi deadbolt suddenly stops responding after replacing the batteries, it can be frustrating. In many cases, the issue isn't a hardware failure but a temporary glitch that happens when the lock loses power during a battery change. Some older firmware versions can cause the lock to freeze or lose calibration after new batteries are installed. Fortunately, this problem is usually easy to fix. By checking the batteries, clearing the lock's temporary memory, and recalibrating the bolt, you can often restore normal operation without needing professional help. Step 1. Insert fresh alkaline AA batteries and make sure the polarity is correct. Step 2. Remove the batteries and hold the Schlage button for about 30 seconds to clear temporary errors. Step 3. Reinsert the batteries carefully and wait for the lock to power back on. Step 4. Use the physical key to lock and unlock the door once to recalibrate the bolt. Step 5. If the lock still doesn't respond, check the Schlage Home app or contact Schlage support for assistance.